Boni fibro kajing mentip nam ta kitu ki bukwa ban shimenta kajing mare kabale hapo Mairang Eastern West Khasi Hill kajing mare kane Swachhata Hi Seva Run 2024 organized by Mairang Town Committee in collaboration of the Office of the District Sports Officer West Khasi Hill Nongstoin kai prize rugi ai first is 1,000 second 1,000 third de 1,000 but consolation adu nomor saw adu bashpo kin yo Mars and Spa will be awarded ka jumare kandai Shitrik Oktober arjarap saw Tuesday kada sibar Mairang nyobaji te ka registration kin have registration hapo DC office during office hour hakpor belong trebe ka last date of registration kandai live tarik jong ubenai September arjarap saw sakan mau ki bakwa ban lake ban shimantan tagane. Participants taking part in this run will have to bring along their original birth certificate or Aadhaar for verification. Kan mau habra birth certificate and Aadhaar am taban verification. The category they open to all men and women. Kam don't reg age category so be open to all men and women. The starting point kadai kanel adap tho na po lumso klur ton toward left to sing office of the Himano Cloud Mairang ba Langsti Rem President Church office BDO Mairang bypass St James turn right toward DC office and finishing point kan debe po DC office. Etang ini higi jumtip Kulishbon.